Welcome back to Forbidden Knowledge News. Today is Sunday, April 22nd, 2018. Vanuatu evacuates the entire population of volcanic Ambae Island after a state of emergency was declared on the 16th. Thousands were permanently resettled as Manaro volcano spewed ash covering the island 30 centimeters deep. People were experiencing breathing difficulties, skin reactions, and illness such as chest infections as they waited to leave the island. People living in the north, west, and south of the island are worst affected by the ash and began being evacuated on Thursday after the state of emergency was declared on Tuesday. A new eruption occurred at Mount Sabancaya in Peru on Friday, spewing ash 2,500 meters into the air. Steam and ash emissions are still ongoing. A very shallow magnitude 6.0 earthquake hit the western Indian Antarctic ridge on Saturday at a depth of only 2 kilometers. More earthquakes in strange places as a magnitude 3.6 earthquake rattles southeast Michigan on the 19th. Thursday's quake was the latest in a series of small tremors to hit the state in recent years. The cracks and landslides continue in Africa, threatening homes and farms in Rwanda. On Friday, even more torrential flooding in Saudi Arabia. So far this year, the desert has seen everything from hail and flooding to snow and freezing weather. There was a massive sandstorm in Iraq on Saturday, causing panic among residents and cutting the power to thousands of homes. Don't forget to subscribe and like our Facebook page.